Friends, as you know, they're going to have another national anthem. The Black National Anthem is going to be sung at the beginning of every football game, if we ever survive to get one through what's going on with the pandemic, etc. And it is in reference to the death of Martin Luther King Jr., as well as the celebration of the late Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln. Yes, you heard me. Abraham Lincoln, the one whose statue has been torn down, vandalized, attempts at taking the memorial down, etc., all across the nation by these very same people who want no more racial division, are promoting this song, which sounds really rustic and ancient, to the melodies of an early 1900s piano, and talking about singing full of the faith that has a dark past that has taught us how to sing a song full of hope that the present has brought us. Well, where is the hope that the present has brought us? If you look around, there's nothing but angst, anger, anxiousness, division. People are afraid to go outside, especially in the inner cities. And I don't see how changing everything and turning it upside down just because you think it has some racial connotation means that we have to go. Why are we jumping through all these hoops? Why? Why can't we just accept life the way it is, the way it has been through histories past and to this present day? Why is it that we have to undo it just because there's all these agitators asking for demands to be met? I mean, can't we just let it live the way it is? Has been, everything's been fine. It's not helping. It's actually hurting more to have to make all these changes. Most Americans would agree that if you're an American, doesn't matter what color your skin is, we all came from Asian, African ancestries, especially all of us that are European background, like myself. A melting pot of all kinds of places and countries from all over the world. Yeah, all Europeans are. They're not purebreds like you might think. Just because your parents think that they were born in a country doesn't mean that they are purely of that origin. Take the test. DNA will show there's a lot more than you think in your DNA. Anyway, thought I'd just bring this up. Take care. Bye-bye.